Are you having trouble with getting stuck at the black screen when starting Fortnite on your computer? Well, no need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the black screen issue when launching Fortnite on your PC. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. First, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Delete Fortnite configuration files from your computer. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in Run. Then type in %local app data % here and hit Enter. Now the File Explorer will open up. Next, go to the Fortnite game folder. Then open up the saved folder. From here, delete the config folder. Lastly, reboot your computer. After your computer turns on, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Repair the Easy Anti-Cheat program. To do this, first open up the Epic Games launcher. Then click on Library. After that, click on the 3 dots icon below the Fortnite poster and select Manage from the pop-up menu. Now click on this folder icon and the File Explorer should open up. Next, go to the Fortnite game folder. Then open up the binaries folder and then go to the Win64 folder. Next, open the Easy Anti-Chat _KAMU folder. Then double-click on Easy Anti-Chat _setup and click on Yes to give permission. After that, click on Repair Service. Once the repair process is complete, click on Finish. Lastly, restart your computer. After your computer turns on, you should be able to play Fortnite without getting the black screen. So that's how you troubleshoot the black screen issue when launching Fortnite on your PC. If the video sorted this issue for you, smash that like button. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for tuning in.